to improve your English speaking. Start by practicing daily. Set aside just 10 minutes to speak out loud, whether it's reading a book or talking to yourself. Next, immerse yourself in the language. Watch movies or listen to podcasts in English. This helps with pronunciation and intonation. Third, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each error is a stepping stone to improvement. Fourth, expand your vocabulary. Learn a few new words each week and use them in sentences. Fifth, find a conversation partner. Engaging with someone else boosts your confidence and helps you think on your feet. Sixth, mimic native speakers. Pay attention to their rhythm and expressions. It's a fun way to learn. Finally, record yourself speaking. Listening back helps you identify areas for improvement. Stick to these rules and watch your English speaking skills soar.